everyone, it's Starling here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this monitor stand riser. It is actually for your laptop if you work from home, so that your laptop's not directly on your desk and you can put like your keyboard and stuff underneath so it slides in and out, so that it makes life easier on you. Right now, my husband works from home at least 2 to 3 times a week, and he actually has his computer on a Tupperware. He used to have a computer stand that actually tilted up, but his boss was needing one, and my husband, being the kind-hearted man that he is, gave it to her and has been using literally like a small little Tupperware container. And so I got him this, and I hope that he loves it. I will put a link in the description box down below where you can actually purchase this, along with the price and everything. I believe it was under $20 because they do have a discount code that you can actually click on to get some money off. But let's go ahead and open this and start looking at what's inside. Oh, so it opens pretty easy, and it comes with this. It's like a brown color little thing, and we'll go over it. Instructions, as if we would ever read these. Just saying, I never read the instructions. I know what this is, but there's stuff in there. And then this right here, I'm just going to put the box on my bed so that I can put my trash in it. So it's really, really well packaged, as you can see. So this must be the top part of it. So you can see a laptop would fit perfectly on this. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open up these boxes. I appreciate how easy everything is to take out of the boxes. I hate when it's like really complicated. So that's one. Got one more. So I really, really do like stuff like this. I know that my husband will get a lot of use out of this, and for under 20 bucks, you cannot beat that. I believe that's how much it is. Don't quote me on that. I will put in the description box the correct price, but I believe it was under 20. So it comes with 2 parts like this. So of course you're going to be wanting that part to be facing outwards, and you see it has like these little ridge, and then it has the holes. So you're just going to slide that in. See, this is why I never read instructions, because you really don't need to. Everything's pretty easy. Okay, I just need to get some. Okay, you see? Just slides right into there, like that. Gonna do the same thing on this side. Just grab it, make sure that's facing outwards. I don't think it's gonna go in unless it's facing outwards. And as you can see, just slides right in. Make sure that it's all the way pushed in. The side is not all the way pushed in. Like that. And then this goes over, you can see it has like these little things, and that's going to go over the leg, like so, so that it kind of stays in place right there. And it gives pockets, so that if you want to put your pins or your phone or something, everything will be just like accessible right there. And I'm just going to do the same thing, just pull this over. Kind of keeps it in place. I'm wondering if it's okay. It kind of pulled down a little bit. So that is what it looks like. And as you can see, I'm going to take this because this is on like a little tray. You can actually put your keyboard. See, this has like little grooves, but you can put your keyboard underneath there and slide it in and out, or you can put books or anything that you might be using. And then, like I said, on both sides, it does have little pocket things. And then this is really soft. It's kind of like a suede, so that it won't scratch up the bottom of your computer or your laptop, and it won't like just scrape everything. So I thought that was really cool. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, God bless.